I have never done a video like this before, and I'm kind of worried. No, I'm not worried, but it dawned on me this morning, like, girl, you is pregnant. What's gonna happen when? Anyway, so this video is going to be different for my channel, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. The company reached out to me. I was like, you know what, whatever, let's get it done, honey. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it, honey. Well, let's do it. Yeah. So before we get started, my hair is from Julia Hair. It came in this gorgeous bomb ass box. Yes, honey. So that's my Julia Hair. It's the Malaysian curly, 26 inches. I've worked with the company for not for so long, probably for a year or so, but I love working with them. I have never got no bundles, no frontals, no closures that I cannot slay, honey. I've been doing wigs for years. I taught myself how to make the wigs by watching videos. I've learned how to customize closures, frontals, all that good stuff. But this hair is actually with a closure and not a frontal. I cannot tell you how relieved I am to not have a frontal, you guys. Oh my god, it is just a relief. I just want to breathe, honey, because frontals take a lot of finessing, and I'm not saying I've mastered it, but deep down inside I'm old school. Deep down inside, I just want my closures to go, or my little leave out and cover the tracks or whatever. But Julia Hair never do me wrong. Frontal closure, 26 inches, Malaysian curly. So I have always worked with Julia Hair. I am not. Never, honey. Now once. Been disappointed, boo. Now once. So yeah, that's it for like the hair that I'm wearing. As it goes for my makeup tutorial, I do have a tutorial on this full look, so I'll link that in the description bar below, or this video may go up first. I do not know, but there's a tutorial for this look. So this is with a company called Treats. And they basically sent me some goodies. This is what the packaging looks like. And I really wanted to do this with my husband and my brother and Jonathan. But Jonathan is at school, my brother is at work, and my husband is on the road. So you're just left with me. I just knew that their reactions would have been way better. So it's a thank you card. And then they sent this stuff. Bali, Indonesia. Okay, these monsters come from Indonesia. Okay, they're from Indonesia. Then the cards, but that's not why you're here. Let's get into it. Alright. Girl. Okay, so let's try. Oh no. Okay, so let's try these. These are called Taronet. And it says seaweed. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't disrespect any culture by doing these videos, but oh my gosh, anyway, this is what it looks like. And it says seaweed. Why does it say seaweed? Oh my gosh. Oh Lord have mercy. Then you have this little fella down here jumping in the water to get the snack. He's in the water to get the snack's gonna be soggy. What are you doing, baby boy? Oh Lord, oh Jesus. Why am I so nervous? It's food, it's food, it's food. It's just food. Yeah. Okay. Oh, doesn't smell bad. Glad I got it. Gum. Yes, Taro. Yeah, man, Taro. Taro. Ingredients: flour, palm oil, tapioca starch, seaweed flavor. Seaweed in the taste, that is really good. Wow. Good. Oh. Okay, so this is tea candy. See? Wanna look now? Yes, that man tower. Can y'all tell me what these two things here look like? Don't do that. Tell me what it look like. Girl, you know what it look like. Dang, the scissors. Oh no, I can tear it like this. So it says Bali's Best Classic Iced Tea. It smells weird. So it's a packaging within a package. Oh Lord have mercy. It's a packaging within a packaging. Gosh. That seaweed smack them. It's really good. Alright, let me tell you. If you love tea, then yes, but I only like tea in a specific form, and that is hot tea. I hate iced tea. Iced tea tastes like crap to me. I cannot drink iced tea. But like hot tea, you know, with milk or sugar or whatever, yes. But this tastes like tea, I don't. No, what tea candy. Enjoy the cool and refreshing taste of iced tea. See, iced tea, and I don't like iced tea. Alright. Oh, okay. I have two of these, and it's cheese crackers. It's called Jerry or Gurry. I don't know, honey, but they're what it look like, and it has 2 pieces inside. I cannot believe. Thank God I'm on my Julia hair. You know, so I don't out here look stupid. Okay. It smells nice. It says 2 comes in here, but it looks like it's sandwiched together. It broke off, but it looks like it's sandwiched together. But 2 come in there, so they're separate. Oh, the cheese is on it. The cheese is on it. This is not bad. And I got 2 of them. Yes. Ooh, and it has sugar. Okay, so if you're Jamaican, you know the orange cheese crackers with the yellow cheese in the middle. If you can find a picture, I can put it up. But that, or like sugar sprinkle on it, exactly how it is. Then we have old-fashioned Mandy's confection, dark chocolate cookies, cookie thins, thin and crisp with a sprinkle of sugar, honey. Alright. Indonesia, one good man. Treats. I see you. Hold on. Let me have to cut this open, honey. Okay. Oh, they're really thin. 5 come in there. It smells like a MAC lipstick. Smell it. Don't like a MAC lipstick. Smell it. Right? Like a MAC lipstick. No, it's not. No, it's not. Girl. Baby girl. Yes. So this last one is called Dosita Petites. Chocolate with a bites. Oh, no high fructose corn syrup. Okay. So they what they look like. They're them right there. They're them right there. Not bad. It's just that tea one, and it's just I hate iced tea. don't know how y'all drink that. If you drink iced tea, let me know in the comment section. This is nasty. Iced tea is nasty. Oh, never mind. Okay. And just like that, the bottle is empty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Indonesia? Is that what you say? This month's treats come from Indonesia. Oh my god. Man, I probably need to work with you guys long term, honey. Yes. So, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm just saying. It's good. All those treats. But yeah, it's really good. The only thing I hated was just that tea. But there I am, honey. This seaweed. It surprised me, baby. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. No, I'm not. I was like, I'll eat seaweed. No, thank you. I'm not a mermaid. Sorry. I'm not under the sea. That's not my life, honey. So I said no. But then I started eating it. My god. Anyway, that's it for this video. Whew, it's different. I hope you guys don't mind. If you're new to my channel, I do primarily makeup tutorials. I'm currently 6 months pregnant, so you guys will get some updates every now and again. But my main updates go on my Lyric Uncut channel. That's my vlog channel. Also, I do hair reviews, you know, everything beauty over here. But then when I get back into even my fitness, I'll also be filming like my gym workout sessions on my Uncut channel as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video. It's different treats. Thank you so much for reaching out to your girl. I definitely liked working with you. So yeah. Oh, this is a peel off. Oh my god, why does it peel off? But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. It's good, girl. I ain't lying.